Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great Thursday so far. So today is Thursday and I should have recorded this video yesterday, but better than never, right? So what I wanted to do is show you all what I spent and what I have left. All of this is kind of out of order, but it is totally fine as long as I kept up with it, right? So for groceries, when it comes to my cash envelopes, I did start out with $190, and my voice is a little raspy, and I feel like I need to drink water, seem like every second. But hopefully everything goes well for the video. So for grocery on March the 7th, I did spend $27 at Amazon. Hold on, let me get my wallet. Okay, I'm back. I got my wallet to the side and I am holding it open so it can stay open. But I did spend $27 from Amazon. I ended up with $163 left. On the 5th, I did go to Walmart. I spent from grocery and spending, but I did keep up with the amount separate. So grocery, $48.28. Wait, that's the wrong one. So I used my Care credit card for $48.28. And then I kept $100 in my envelope and I had $14 in cash. On the 10th, I did turn around and spend $64 at Walmart. I did use my Care credit card and I'm in the process of getting that paid off because the statement date has already came. Remember, instead of, well, you can do what you want, but I normally wait to the statement come and then I'll pay it and keep doing it. Anywho, for the March 7th, I did get Jasmine's dog food. Also on March the 7th, I spent $18 from Amazon. That was for spending. For March the 5th, I spent $51 on Amazon. Some more things for Jasmine. Hold on. So more things for Jasmine for $51. I did go ahead and pay that back to Care Credit, which of course I'm paying, in the process of getting that entire bill paid now. March 7th, we talked about it, $18, $51. The 11th, I did spend $33 from Walmart. And do I have? Yes, I do. I do have that written down on my tracker. On the 10th, I did fill up and it was $35 to fill up. And I don't remember which date this was, but of course I did use my Discover card for $48. This came from miscellaneous. And we talked about the fill up, which I have $5 left for gas. Miscellaneous, $48. Do have $2 left, which I did end up using, so I have nothing left for miscellaneous. I did end up paying for my one of my eye drops, Tamalol. That is for my left eye only. Use it to keep my ocular pressure down. So it was $5 and some change, but of course I didn't add the change in because I do have change just sitting in my account. I also went to Sonic, spent $4 and some change, but I told the guy to just give me 75 cents back instead of trying to count all of those pennies and whatnot. And I'm using those quarters for the washer. And for the first week, which I ended with $51 for groceries, $5 for gas. Essentials, I did end with $5. But I also turned around and forgot to add the $6 where me, my sister, and my niece went out to eat. I will add those pictures. Let me see if I can show you what they look like. Okay, so this is my niece plate. She did get chicken and we went to Liz's kitchen. Here is my sister's fried okra. Here is my, looks like, I believe this was my sister plate. Pinto beans, chicken and dressing. Hold on. Pinto beans, chicken and dressing, sweet potatoes, turnip greens, and a cornbread muffin. We did decide to try one piece of fish, which we ended up splitting. And here is what I had. Of course, greens, a yeast roll, sweet potatoes, chicken and dressing, pinto beans, and I had a jalapeno cornbread muffin. And here's one of my pictures that I took. Whoops. I would show you all a picture of me and my sister together, but she don't know I got a YouTube channel, and don't nobody really know I got a YouTube channel, even though I've been having my channel for years now. We're just going to keep it that way. Moving on. This was the menu that they had, but they ran out of deviled eggs, and I was so upset. But y'all, it was a lot of people there, literally a whole lot of people. It was packed. So now that we got that out the way, what I want to do is double check my wallet. The money that I have for groceries is in one of my binders, so I will show you all that. So hold on. Okay, so the only envelope in my wallet that has cash in it is essentials for $5, which is the amount that I got left. And I also need to add the $16 to my tracker. So there's that. And I should have, and if you see anything dangling, it's most likely my hair. So I've already went through and made sure my envelopes have the right amount of money. So I have all the money for Navy Federal in my Navy Federal checking account, so that's why that is now empty. For rollover cash, I have 21 bucks still. So we'll see how much I'll end up having when I close the budget out. When it comes to care credit, I'm in the process of getting that paid back now. I am paying $72 and some change from my checking account, and the amount that I need to, what? The amount that's left to pay care credit is 109, and I have 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually 108 and some change, but 109. So there's that, and this is where my grocery money is. As of right now, I'm just pretending I don't have any money left for grocery. That's what I'm hoping to accomplish. Just pretend I don't have any money, but in case I do need something, I will come to this right here. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and $35. And of course, I'm keeping up with it with just a random piece of paper. And for my envelope, which I have $25, $35. Everybody else envelope is empty, especially the dogs, because yeah, she used all of her money on food and whatnot. So there's that. And I need to make a video because I still have, so we have my old $10 bill, which I'm keeping, and then we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18 that I could play around with, and it's just been sitting in my savings challenge envelope. So let me put that back in there. And the only challenge that I have so far in here is which one that's not done. So we have Amanda's challenge, and I have 2 more to go. And in total, this will save me $85. So, you know what? Let's do this here. Hang on. Wow, I never knew how bright this was, but here are the numbers. There we go. 12, 13, and I have the date, or attempted to have the date when I last did this, which was last year. So I want to pick off, let's see, let's do this one right here. Let's end up getting 15 bucks. What I'm going to do now is take, well, shoot, I might as well, let me see, 15, 16, 7, I got $3 left. 5, 6, 7, $3. So $3 left. And now for all of this. Wait a minute, hold on. Okay, I remember. So when I first started this challenge, I had some money for the challenge to go into my savings for travel, and I had the rest in cash. So the amount that I got in cash is 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and 33 in cash. So let me do this using Chris envelopes. I am going to use your envelopes, but using Chris's calculator. So $85. What did I say? Let me count that again. Okay, I am back. So we have $33 all together. And what I want to do, since most of the money for this challenge is already in the bank, in my ally bucket for travel, I want to go ahead and scratch the remaining off. So let's see what we get. That's crazy. So we already have $3, and that's a 20. So we already have $3, and I need 17, 18, 19, 17, 18, 19. Okay, yeah, I need 17 bucks. So what I'm going to do is take this money right here, $36, and do I have any money that I can exchange it with? And no, I don't. So I need to write this down. Hold on. So I went ahead and wrote on the back I need $17 to finish the challenge, and I wrote, or attempted to write, today's date. So I'm going to not add $17 in cash, but when I get paid, I'm going to, what is it, Jasmine? When I get paid, I'm going to send $17 to my travel bucket in Ally, and that challenge for Amanda will be complete, and we'll just start on a new one. So that's it. That's all. I hope you have a great day. Chris, I love your calculator, by the way. Definitely check her out at Budgeting Just Because, and I need to, hold on, to put this money back in the envelope that I have. And also, Jasmine, why are you messing my papers up? So I'm going to edit this video. I may get it out today on Thursday, if not, put it out on Friday. But I hope you all have a great day. If you have any questions about anything, let me know down below. And I'm going to go most likely make a salad. So have a great day, you all. Bye.